Now, folks, here it is, the 2025 Toyota 4Runner. And what a heritage this is, folks. First of all, you got the standard iForce turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, 278 horsepower. And you also have the available iForce Max hybrid powertrain, which produces 326 horsepower. Then you have the all-new Trailhunter. It's a Toyota build over landing, available with the latest integrated off-road equipment. ARB, the old manual EMU, and the rigid industries. Yes. Standard power rear window. Now, everybody talked about this in the past. It's here now, folks. The standard power rear window with available power liftgate. The first ever platinum premium grade now offered. And the available 14-inch touchscreen display. The latest Toyota audio multimedia. And the Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 standard on all the models. Now, this is going to be on sale in the fall of 2024. Yes. I tell you, you look at the shape of this, and you know a 4Runner. I tell you, if you got one of these, you know you got a nice, you have a nice SUV, folks. Now, the instant name recognition that the 4Runner has built over 4 decades is something that's really significant. And you can't deny this to a legend that's long established in itself in North America. It's an off-road icon. It's going to tackle all kinds of tough terrain. I mean, this is something else, folks. The all-new 2025 Toyota 4Runner. It stays true to the original concept. It's extremely capable, dynamic, and durable off-roader. It will continue to provide you with with enjoyment continually, folks. The new generation introduced a bold new look. It has the new technology, premium materials. I mean, the TRD Pro plate just tells you that this is something to be reckoned with. This is the all-new 6th generation 4Runner. And yes, folks, this does raise the bar. High-end refinement. The Toyota Motor Corporation, the Toyota plant in Japan, the engineers there are dedicated. The TRD, the headlights, the daytime running lights, the way that it looks, people are going to know that you're coming and yes, that you're driving a Toyota 4Runner. The all-new 4Runner, versatility and capability. It nicely rounds out this truck in such a nice way. I mean, look at the durability. The Fox shocks, the springs, the steering system, the mechanisms, everything about this is TRD performance. Now, the 4Runner is all new from the ground up. Toyota Tough. Yes, TNGA-F. The global truck platform that is shared with Tacoma, Land Cruiser, Tundra, and the Sequoia. It utilizes a high-strength box steel ladder frame and features a multi-link coil rear and double wishbone front suspension. And yes, you even get the skid plates in this baby, folks. What a platform, and what an SUV, what an off-roader. This is something else. Just the adoption of the TNGA F platform is significant, folks. I mean, you got 3 iterations here, folks. What an evolving legacy. Just evolving in every way. Trail ready. All 3 of these are just trail ready. Rugged capable, yes. And then we're going to also look at the interior. When you're looking at these, you're looking at the 4-wheel drive, you're looking at the 2-wheel drive. This is something else. Limited slip differential, auto LSD. Again, that's the automatic slip differential, which is something significant. Now the interior. The 4Runner receives the Toyota latest technology, new screens, the seats and the leather and just these surfaces are rugged. This is a rugged choice. It's youthful, it's dynamic, and the sitting surfaces, the shifter, the handles, the buttons, everything is well made. TRD performance all the way live, folks. Yes, it has as you're going to see in a second, it has an 8-inch available, 14-inch multimedia touchscreen displays, the latest audio multimedia system, which is designed and engineered by Toyota Texas-based Connected Technologies team. Supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility, and it also has the QI wireless charging pad with an enhanced power output, a USB-C data, and a charging port which is integrated into the right side of the multimedia screen. And yes, folks, it's touchscreen. USB-C charging ports are included in the front row and available for the rear passengers as well. What a truck. I mean, everything about this is just rugged. I mean, the suspension is just also nice too. Everything is well built. Everything's going to hold together. It's durable, it's protected. The steering mechanisms, everything about this is just really, really easy to get to and work on. Toyota reliability from the rugged tires, the off-roading tires. This baby's going to be able to tackle any terrain, folks. Yes. And let's get back to the interior. I mean, pre-collision systems with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, full speed, range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, automatic high beams, proactive driving assist. Now, proactive driving assist, and let's talk about, right now we're looking at the seats, and we're going to go back to look at the dashboard because I want to cover this. And I think we'll go further here. We should be seeing something right here. We should be seeing a dash. Hopefully we got a good picture. I don't think that this is a really, there it is right there. Now we're talking about here the proactive driving assist, which is now a part of Toyota Safety Sense. Proactive driving assist. It uses the vehicle camera and radar when the system's operating conditions are met to provide the gentle braking and steering to support the driving tasks such as distance control between your vehicle and preceding vehicles, bicyclists. Boy, now proactive driving assist can also provide a gentle braking into curves, which is something nice, especially when you're driving with your cruise control and you won't feel like you have to take it off. You know, when you go around a corner, it'll automatically slow it down and keep things safe. It's no substitute for the pre-collision system and operates in different circumstances. Proactive driving assist is a Toyota Safety Sense feature, and it has been enhanced for what they call the TSS 3.0. I like this screen, the way that it looks. I mean, the way that the interior and everything about this. Dynamic radar cruise control, all the different features. It's just got a beautiful look, folks. I just want to thank you guys just for coming to the channel. And just thank you guys for just taking in a minute just to look at this beautiful, beautiful Toyota 4Runner. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And have a fantastic day. And for some reason, when I look at this interior with this whole shot right here, it just looks fantastic, folks. It just looks like something phenomenal. I love Toyota. So durable, so safe. Thanks for watching, and if you do get a 4Runner, it's a great choice. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.